Hi guys, in this video we are going to see Bing Image Creator change aspect ratio. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type Image Creator Bing. Once I've done that, you will be landed on Bing Image Creator page where you are going to see a bunch of different images that you can download, or you can even generate your own image by using this prompt section in the top. So over here you just have to type your prompt and then you need to press the create button. After that, you just have to select that image which you want to download and the aspect ratio of which you want to change. Let's say I want to do it with this image, so I'll simply click on download button in order to download it. After that, you will have to open a new tab and this time you will have to type Photor.com image extender in the search bar. Then you are going to see the first link from Photor.com, which is AI image extender. So you need to click on this link and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here you need to click on extend image with AI. Then you need to select that image which you have downloaded. After that, you need to click on start now. Once done, you will be redirected on this page where it will take your image, and now you will have to press the generate button. Now before generating your image, it may give you this type of page where it will ask you to first create your account. So over here you will have to create your account via Facebook or Google or with your Apple ID, or you can even sign up with email address. So let me just quickly sign up into it. Now once you have successfully signed up, you will have to press the generate button over here and then you just have to wait for some time until it is generating your image. Now once the image is generated successfully, as you can see over here that it has changed the aspect ratio of this image and it is looking stunning. Now over here, in order to download this changed image, you will have to tap on this download button in the top, and after selecting it as JPG or PNG, you will have to press the download button and this new image will be downloaded in your device. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.